Transform your WordPress admin area from cluttered chaos into a streamlined command center with a custom-built dashboard. Tired of digging through menus for your most used features? Today, we're building a custom WordPress admin dashboard that puts everything you need right at your fingertips, making site management a breeze. The first step is to find the right tool. We'll be using a plugin to help us create our custom dashboard. Search for WordPress dashboard plugins in your plugin directory, and choose one that offers the customization options you need for this tutorial. We'll assume you've found and installed a suitable plugin. Once activated, you'll typically find a new menu item related to your dashboard plugin. Now, let's dive into building our custom hub. Most dashboard plugins will present you with an interface to add widgets or modules. These are the building blocks of your new dashboard. Think of them as mini applications that display specific information or provide quick access to functions. You can add a variety of widgets to suit your needs. Consider adding site statistics like visitor counts or recent comments. You might also want widgets for quick access to your latest posts, upcoming events, or frequently used administrator links. Many plugins allow you to create custom modules to display specific content or even embed external information. The beauty of these plugins is their drag-and-drop functionality. Arrange your widgets in an order that makes sense to you. Place your most important information at the top, or group related widgets together for a logical flow. You can often resize widgets to give more prominence to certain elements or to create a more visually appealing layout. Don't forget to configure each widget. This might involve setting the number of items to display, choosing specific categories, or defining the exact links you want to include. Take a moment to personalize each element so it provides the most relevant information for your website. And there you have it, a centralized, efficient hub for managing your WordPress site. By creating a custom dashboard, you're not just organizing your backend, you're boosting your productivity and ensuring a smoother content management workflow. Start building yours today and experience the difference.